Welcome again to the channel. Today's video will be a game changer for you if you're planning on building courses or communities on GoHighLevel. Whether it's for your clients or you're planning to sell courses or communities in high level, this is the video for you. In this video, I'll walk you through how to build courses and communities in high level and use the client portal area effectively. So stay to the end so that you can take the full advantage of this tutorial. And before we get started, my name is Tuntosiram. I'm the owner of the agency QuickSync, and I've been a high level user for around a year now. And I'm also an affiliate for Go High Level because I like the software. And if you're thinking of getting started with Go High Level, you can sign up through my affiliate link, and there are lots of bonuses that I offer to my affiliates. After signing up, you can just reach out to me. All right, let's get started. So first of all, this is the course area where you can see how many course you have sold, the members, etc., etc. Anyways, to get started, first of all, we should understand the client portal correctly. So for that, let's go to sites, and here's the client portal. So this is the main dashboard. After we build all our courses and communities, you can find the links for them here easily. I'll explain this later in this video. So first of all, let's understand exactly about the client portal. So I've made an image here in Canva. You can see here. So here's the thing. There are courses, communities, affiliate programs. Now all these three are a different feature inside of GoHighLevel that you can use, to grow your business. And the client portal is a central app where these communities and courses are, hosted. If anyone sign up for your affiliate program, your communities, or your courses, you can just send them the client portal link, and they can log in through the client portal, and they can find the dashboard to this. They can access the courses, communities, and the affiliate program inside the client portal. Of course, you can send them individually also, but it's best if you do this through the client portal. For example, if you have a course and it has a different pricing, and you have communities, it has different, pricing plan. So, for example, if they only opt for the communities, if they come to the client portal, they can learn more about your courses, and vice versa, and also about the affiliate programs and all. So this one is a central app which hosts these little mini apps inside of itself. So this is how the client portal work. I hope you understood. I'll explain this to you once again in the settings area also. So first of all, here's the setting for the client portal settings. And one more thing, you can also create a branded mobile app for your client portal if you want, but it's a paid option that you'll have to choose for iOS and Android. But for now, let's leave this out. I'll talk about the settings first. So the first thing is you'll have to set up your domain for your client portal, as I've showed you here in the dashboard. This is the default domain that you'll be getting if you don't add any domain. So this one looks ugly, very ugly. It's numbers and letters and all those things. So what you can do is go to settings and domain setup. You can enter your custom domain here. It can be a top level domain or a subdomain. So in our case, let's use a subdomain. So for example, let's name it club, or anything you can name it according to your wish. I'll name it club, and this one's my test domain, club.combat.us. All right, add domain, continue. And now you'll have to verify this domain after adding this, values in your domain provider. So my domain is on Namecheap. So I'll copy this club, go to Namecheap, select my domain, advanced setting. I don't know how it works in different domain providers, but in Namecheap it's easier. Just select domain, advanced DNS, add a new record, and it was a CNAME, and add the value here. Next one is this, copy, paste. check. All right, sometimes it takes some time domains to get verified. Let's try it now. All right, it's taking some time to get verified, so we'll try it later. Before that, let's go to other settings. So we'll set up this later. Now let's go to the branding. So this is where you can brand your client portal. You can add a name here, for example. You can add a description here under 50 words something, and you can add a color. Choose a color for your branding. Let's say green. This one's a bit. And you can add a favicon here. So how to add a favicon? Just click this. Choose an image that you have made. And if you don't know what favicons are, these are the favicons. For example, this one's GoHighLevel's, this one's Facebook, YouTube. So you can add your own favicon here. And you can add your portal image and a banner image. So here's the size given. You can choose 1920 by 2160. This is the banner image. You can add your logo, support email, and copyright. Let's say quick sync. And advanced, you can add your Google Analytics tracking code here. Oh yeah, in the header area, and save the settings. So this branding is for the login section of your portal. I'll show you now. I'll show you my portal. Let's go to incognito, and so this one's my portal that I created for my affiliate promotion. All right. So this will be the branding, the colors, and the login area. So you don't have much choice to modify this, customize this. Of course, you can use CSS and all those things, but it's just gets a little bit deeper. You can use custom CSS, and all those things. All right. So this simple, just you don't have to do much designs in the beginning. All right, this is the branding area. Then here's the app permission that I talked about earlier. So these are the mini apps that will be inside the client portal. So you can choose which one should be inside there. Let's choose communities, courses. Leave out the affiliates for now because I'll not be adding the affiliate in this. But if you want, you can choose the affiliate also. And if you want to learn how to create an affiliate program in GoHighLevel, you can check out my other video. I'll leave the link to the video also in the description, and also you can check out in the card here above somewhere. All right. And the next one is billing and subscription. So if you want to charge the clients for the individual from the individual portal link itself, for example, if you want to charge the communities from the communities link itself and the course link itself, then you can click this billing and subscription also, so that it can appear there in the courses and all. But for that, you'll have to have a Stripe subscription, and we are not supported in our country. It used to be, but now the Stripe has made a new rule where we have to get invited to use their services. So I can't use Stripe. That's why I've left this out. But I'll show you how to use another way using the payment option to sell your communities and courses. You don't have to sell directly from here, but I'll show you the option also from this, how to sell directly. But I'll show you the different option also, which will make it easier for you if you don't have Stripe. All right, communities, courses, affiliates. Tick, tick, tick. Leave out the affiliate. And this one is the default landing page. So where do you want to send the client or the member to when they when they log into the client portal? So you can choose either the landing page, communities, courses, or affiliates. So let's say communities, and save the settings. Okay, now let's go to the another one, back, and email settings. Yeah, this one's email settings for your certificates. So this one's already checked. You don't have to do anything for this, but you can choose not to send this email, or you can choose to send this email if the certificate expires. And for the communities, if someone joined the group, should an email be sent to the member or not? So you can choose all these things here. Membership approved, declined, new comment and post. But one thing is that all this email will be paid. It won't be free. As it's written here, you can see that all the emails are charged. And all right, you can check this all. Go back. So these are the main settings for the client portal. Now let's go to the courses and start building our course. Courses, you'll have to go to membership and then courses. Right, I forgot to talk about the branded mobile app. As I told earlier, you can choose for the branded one, or you can use the gray labeled app from GoHighLevel named Collab. So for that you'll have to go to Collab app, and for Instagram, for iOS. So this is the app your clients or your customers can use to log into the client portal. So this one's an app by Lead Connector, which is GoHighLevel's property. It's a gray labeled version of where they can where your clients can access the client portal, their courses and all those things. So this app is enough for now. I think it's great. I myself use it all the time. All right, let's leave this open for now. Okay, courses, membership, courses. Now when you go to courses, there are two things: products, offers. When I first started, I got confused a bit about confused between these two things. So I'll try to explain you. All right, now the products. So products is where you build the courses, and offers is where you offer your course for any price and all. These two are two different things inside the course itself. So product is what you build, the course itself. You can't sell the product directly. You'll have to turn that product into offer afterwards. So I'll explain that in a while. So first let's build our product, which is the course. So create a course, start from scratch. Let's select this one, start building, create product. And then from here you can, structure your product. For example, this one will be your title for the, this category. Free course, for example, let's say free course. You can add a description, and you can choose set as a root category. So this will be the root category for your course, and you can add all your lessons here. Add a category thumbnail, and you can also choose it to be locked. So this category will be locked for your members till the selected post is completed. So this one's another thing for another day. I'll not go into much detail here. And you can also choose this category to be a drip category. All right, save it. Now you can go back, and if you want to add more, just click this, create a category, name it, then you can add more lessons here, add a subcategory and all those things. So this one will be a second category, and inside of this itself, if you want to add more categories, you can add here, add subcategories, for example, save. So this will be the second category, and you can add more course lessons inside it. So this is how you can play around and create your course. So like I said earlier, to collect payments from your customers, connect a payment processor like Stripe. You'll have to connect a payment processor. And the details, you can add the details of your course here, the description, and again, the thumbnail, and you can add advanced customization. For example, the instructor. All right, I'll show you this in my course itself. So here's my course, the free course that I just talked about. Edit details. So these are the details of my course. Quick SaaS launch, description, thumbnail, and in the customization, you can add the instructor and the logo of the course and the favicon. And advanced, you can add the header code again to track. Save. So we have gone through the outline, the details, and then after that you can go to customize. So there are 3 themes now that you can add to the course. You can use this one, or this one. So in my case, I'm using this one, and you can customize this also. Just hover over it and click customize. This is how the course will look like. Theme setting, you can change the colors, change the placement of the logo in the hero section or the header, change a font for your course, and also a background image that will appear here besides the course area, and save it. And you can also edit the sections, header section, the background, this section, then the hero section. Sorry, this one's the hero section, this one's the header section. You can change this also, and the fonts and all, and the button start course, or you can change this to different, and course body, the font, and all those things. So you can test this out. I've just kept this my course simple, and the lessons too. How should it look? So this, for example, one lesson. You can choose the background for the lessons also, the header background, sorry, the lesson body, and all other things, and save theme. And after you build the course, you can preview it here. Just click this preview, and so this is my course. So it will look like this for your clients. All right, now let's get back. So right after the course, let's go to the offer. So here's the offer. As you can see, I've already added the course here. So the difference is that the products can be only a single product, but within an offer you can add different products, different courses. You can add 1, 2, or 3 courses, and the offer is what you will be selling to your customers. So to sell a course, it should be inside an offer. I hope you're getting it. I'll show you now. So this one's already added. I'll edit it again. I'll show you. Go to edit. You can add the details of your offer and include products here. For example, this one's already there. If I had another course, I could add it here and sell, as a bundle, 2 or 3 courses inside the single offer. So this is how the offer works. And you can offer the pricing, edit. You can add free offer, one time, or a recurring subscription for the course. And the other thing is, with offer you can add an upsell. Go to upsell. For example, if I'm giving this course for free, I can add an upsell here for my additional course, which one is a high ticket course, for example. So it can be a one-click upsell or in-app upsell. So difference is that you can read it here. In-app upsell allows you to lock products or offers as a bundle in the My Library page, so they can buy the course from the library itself. And in the one click, after they get this course, this upsell will be sold to them so that they can purchase it after the initial offer and continue. So for now, there are no other products for me, but this is how you can add an upsell or for your initial product. And you can get the link here, copy this after you have created the course, and send it to your client or anyone that wants to buy the course. And you can also edit the checkout. You can go from here, edit checkout. So this is the page they'll be led to when you send that link that I just showed you. They can add their name, email name, and proceed to checkout from here. They can buy the course from here, and this is how your checkout will look like. You can add a banner image on all this. You can also add a video, a preview video, and this will be the poster image. You can add a logo and all those things in your checkout. So it's simple. Mine is free, so I didn't add much things here. Go back. You can also add phone numbers too, and address too if you want, because it's showing only email and full name here. You can choose to collect their address and phone numbers also if you want to, and save it. Go back. Also a service agreement, required, not required. So these are the extra things that you can do in your course, in your offer. All right, let's get back. Now that we have our course and the offer, you can check out the analytics here. For example, my free course, member analytics. So these are some people that took my course. So you can also be in this list if you want to get started with high level quicker. And the next thing is settings again. The setting for the courses. So domain setup will be same. It will lead us to the client portal setup. You can control the site's branding here, site details, and you can name the site details here. So mine is Those Learning Hub, and you can add a branding here, your image, again the favicon, and you can let the ones who get your course the option to download the original video. You can choose this to remain. You can choose your videos to be downloadable or not. So this is the site detail. Now the next thing is, we don't have to use this because we'll be using the Collab app. So this one's not necessary for now. Only the site details. Then go to email settings. Send a welcome email by default, and automatically send an email when drip category is available. So we don't need all this. So this is the offer access email. You can choose this to be the default one, default offer access template. So this one is a default one that GoHighLevel has already created for us, but instead you can also use your own. So I'm using this one, the one I made for my course. I'll show you how to create that also. For that you'll have to go to marketing and emails. I'll show you later because we'll have to add another things in there. So the next one is communities. Your courses have been built and you have customized all your domains and all those things. Then we go to communities and groups. I already have a group here, as I told you earlier. Go to settings. The subdomain will be same. The only difference will be the extension here. So we don't have to do anything about the domains for communities. Get back. Nothing much to do. Just go to groups. And here is where you can create your groups. So the client portal hosts the communities and community hosts the groups. So this is how this works. So inside the group community, you can create as many groups as you want for different people. For example, if you have 2 or 3 courses for different niche, for different purposes, you can use the groups for that. For example, you can create a group for support forum for your clients, and a group for courses, a group for something else, things like that. All you have to do is go to create group, name the group, and add a URL. For example, let's say support. We name it support. So this will be the extension after the domain we created. For example, mine was clubcombatlab.us/support. This will be the group's URL. You can add a group description, add a favicon for your group, cover image, logo, and all this. And after you've created the group, you can just log in from there and start optimizing it more. So let's log into my group and I'll show you. Login. Alright, so I'm logged into the group now. So these are the channels. You can create as many channels here for different topics. For example, GoHighLevel Basic, support, integrations and all. Add channel. You can name your channel, add a description, add a hashtag or an icon or an emoji, and create a new channel. And if you have 2 or 3 groups, your clients can, or your customers or your students can log in using this. So all the groups will appear here. This is the channel, and you can customize your group from here. Settings. You can change the URL structure here also inside. Name the group. Subscription. You can add the price for your group. For example, $20. You can choose it to be recurring or one time, the billing period and all those things, and add the price. So if you add the price, I'll show you. This is how your group will appear. This one is my insider group where I added the price just for testing purpose. So they can subscribe from this page itself. So this one is a great feature, but you'll have to have a Stripe connection for that in my, as much as I think I know about this. So you'll need the Stripe connection. But without this also you can sell the groups. I'll show you how later in this video. All right, the next is branding. You can choose a theme and dark, light, and different colors here. And you can also add some membership questions that you want to ask before someone join your group, just like Facebook groups. You can also add gamification and rewards for your group, and rewards for their participation and all. And you can add links to your things that you'd like to promote. For example, this is my referral link for GoHighLevel, my Facebook page, Instagram, Facebook group, and YouTube, etc., etc. And all these links will appear here in this side, in the right side. So, all right. Now, other thing is if someone joins your group and they also have the access to the course that you are giving, they can find it here. Go to learning, and here's the course. And you can add your paid courses also in your free group. So this can be a good strategy if you build your group and you sell your course inside it. So this can also be a great thing if you want to do. You just have to add the course, select the course from the course area, the product area that you have created, but it's not here now because I only have one. But if you have more, you can add it here, the courses, and your group members can easily find the course inside the group itself. You can see the members and the leaderboards discussion. So we didn't check the affiliate before, but if the affiliate was there, your clients or your customers or your students can find it from here. They can find it here also, the courses, and also they can go directly to courses from here. Courses, communities, and affiliates. And billing will be also here if you check the billing section that I showed you earlier, if you remember. All right. So now that we have created the course and the group also, we'll talk about how to sell them or maybe send it for free also. By the way, if you'd like a detailed, step-by-step video on the individual products, for example, the course, just like I created the affiliate, how to set up affiliate programs, I can make another videos for how to, create a group or maybe a course step by step, because I'm not covering all those, things in details in this video. So, because it might take too long. I'm just showing you the concept. And I think, you can easily do that just after understanding how this works. Anyways, if you would like a specific video for courses and all those things, you can leave a comment in the comment section and I'll create a video for that also specifically. All right, now that we have the course and the community, and if you have a Stripe subscription and you want to sell directly from the, directly without using any funnels or forms, things like that, then you can easily share the link of your group or your course, just like I showed you. For example, if you want to sell this course, just click this link and send them if you have added the pricing and all. Same with the groups. You just have to, share the group link. For example, this one is just a group link. They can't log in without paying this. But if you haven't connected this to Stripe and you want to sell it another way, I'll show you that now. For that, we'll have to go to workflow again. We'll have to create a workflow. But before that, let's go to emails and create a template. So we'll have to make an email course settings. I showed you in the course settings, the email settings. So we'll build this template now. All right. Before we create this email, we'll have to create some custom values so that we can build the email in an easy way. So for that, let's go to sites and client portal dashboard. So now that we have our course and our community, all you have to do is go and generate magic links. So this is the main dashboard of the client portal. Go to the dashboard. So magic links are easy links that you can send to your students and customers, so they can just click the link and log into the portal easily without signing up or all those things. So you just go to generate custom menu. If you have someone in your contacts and you want to send them the course without signing up and all, you can just go to contact, choose an email and send email, generate and send the email, and an email will be sent to them and they can log into the course directly from that link. But for the sake of this video, we'll do this custom menu because we'll have to send our link to someone whose contact we don't have yet. So custom menus for courses, generate, and this will be our magic link. Copy this and we create a custom value here. Go to settings and new custom value, name the custom value and enter a value here and create. And the same thing, we'll go back again to the portal and we'll generate another magic link for the community and generate. And we'll do the same for this one also. We'll create a new custom value, add it. All right, if you want to take the things a little bit further, you can create trigger links. Go to marketing, trigger links, and create the same thing. Group URL, for example. Go back, all right, settings, custom values for the trigger links. So this one trigger link, add a trigger link, go to custom values and take the value that you created. For example, the client area, just copy that. So this one's magic link for the communities, copy that. Let's say group URL and the custom value. So this will be changed into the link when you use it inside the email. Save it. And after that, we'll go and create a template. So here it is. I'll show you mine. So whenever someone signs up for my course, they'll get this email. I guess I don't have an email builder course yet, but I'll make it some other day. Anyways, this is how the email will be. And one more thing, I want you to make a custom value for the iOS and the Google Play app too, so that it can make easier for your students or your clients to use download the app and just log in from there itself, so that they can carry and interact with the community anywhere using their phone and also access their courses easily without their laptops. So this will be an easy way for them to take the full advantage of your course. All right, what I've done is in the email I've added the iOS link and the Android link too. So here's the email. You're in, just click the button below, sign in and begin the course. You can also access the course on mobile using the GoHighLevel app. So here are the download links. There's this. And this is the magic link for the course. Just create a button, go to what the action should be for the button, choose URL and choose the trigger link or the custom link. So I've added the trigger link here and save the template. So we are using this template in here in the course's email settings. So this email will be sent whenever someone is granted the course. Now we have the custom values, triggers, and the email template. The next thing is, how do we offer the course to someone? In my case, I'm doing it free, but if you want to sell it, you'll have to go to payments and products. You just have to create a new product, and name it, for example, course, your description, add a photo if you want. You can add it to a collection if you want. If not, for example, you want to add it $29 one time for the course and access to the community, the SEO title and all. We won't include this in the online store. Save this. Now the next thing is, for selling this, you'll have to create a funnel again. So in my case, I'm sending this course for free, but if you want to sell it, you can create a funnel. Let's say a template, continue. I'll show you mine also. So let's say we take this funnel, continue. So you can see it's so easy in here to create funnels and everything inside of GoHighLevel. Once I started using GoHighLevel, I really got hooked to it. I think it's one of the best platforms out there when it comes to marketing, lead generation, and anything business. Okay, the funnel has been added. All you have to do is go create a funnel, edit this. So it's same, the funnels, only the system is a bit different, but building a page, landing page, and the website page is same in GoHighLevel. And if you want to learn how to create pages and websites in GoHighLevel, you can go check out my other video. I'll leave the link to the video in the description. So for example, this is your course. You can, modify this according to your will. And then what you can do is you can add a two-step or one-step order form. Let's say you added this. So if someone comes here and they purchase this, they can purchase the course from here. You can see in the mobile view also. So you can customize this. I'll talk about this later in some other video. So this is how you can sell your product using a funnel. Or if it's free, you just have to create a form. So there's another video for the form also. You can look it in the description. I'll leave the link to that video also in the description. I'll show you mine now. So this is how you can create your funnel, landing page, and add a two-step order here. But if you are going to do it sending a free course, I'll show you in mine. I'll just show you in a simple way. So here it is. So anybody want the course, they just have to click this, and this pop-up will appear here. They can add their name, email, phone number, and send me the course. Click here, and I'll send them the course using an automation, which I'll show you in a while. So these are the two ways you can do it. If it's free, you can just create a form, but if you're selling it, you can use a two-step order form to sell the product, and after that you can deliver them through the automation. Now the last thing is how to deliver the product after you have created it, because we are not selling it directly from the course in the community section, and for that we'll have to create automations. Now this is the last step. So if you have any confusion, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll try to explain there also, and you can also join my free Facebook group where I try to help everyone who ask help questions inside there, or you can just get my course and join my private community also, which I built inside of GoHighLevel. So here's the workflow. So here's mine, quick SaaS launch offer. So I'm sending this for free, and that's why I'm using the form option, the simple form. So the trigger is this one, the form. Form is the form that I added in my funnel. All right, let's show you again. This form. So when they fill this form, this trigger is activated. The form is quick SaaS launch form. Save the trigger. And this was another trigger that I've just added for in case someone just land up in my courses landing page and sign up directly. So saved it. And by the way, if you're selling it, you can add another one. Add a new trigger. Order form. You can select order form submitted and select the form that you created. In funnel, and which one is the funnel. Let's say it's this one, quick SaaS launch in this funnel. So if they buy from this funnel, this one that we added, and the order form is in this funnel, then this trigger will get activated. So for now we don't have that, so I'll delete this just so you know. And then I added a tag, the lead's name, the internal notification to myself, in case this doesn't work out, I can manually send the course to them. So that's why. So if anyone sign up for the course, I get the notification. And then I have an opportunity created already, a pipeline created already. So in the pipeline, they go through various opportunities. Save this action. And the next one is course grant offer. After they select that, I grant them the course offer. The offer is quick SaaS launch. Save. And when this is triggered, this email will be automatically sent to them, the one who signed up, because we have granted them the access to the course. This email will be sent. But still, to make this sure, I have added an email here again. The same email, it might go twice. And I have added the same template here, so that if that doesn't trigger, this one will be triggered anyhow. And wait for 5 minutes and grant the group access. And I then send a second email. Hey, you are invited to the community where we help each other, blah blah. You can join our group too. So here's the group link, and that's it for this automation. So this is the automation I use for my course. And the next thing is, if you have a free group, what you can do is you can let them sign up from the group itself. For that, you'll have to create this automation. And when you grant the group access, you can grant them the free course also. So that's another thing I've been doing in my campaign, this quick SaaS launch campaign. So if you sign up through the group, you get access directly to the course also. And if you sign up through the funnel, you get access to the course and the group, both of them. So the both comes together in my case. So if someone is granted access to the group, I update the opportunity. I again add the course grant offer here, send the email. That's it. So simple workflow. And this is how you can sell your course and communities without having a Stripe connection connected to your account, and without selling directly from the course or the community link. You can sell it using the funnel and products. And I hope the video was clear. If you have any questions, you can ask it in the comment section, or you can join my community and ask me there also. And yeah, that's it for this video. And once again, get my free course. I haven't updated the course for a while, but now I'm going to bring many more tutorials inside that course that you will get access for free. And if you sign up through my affiliate link, then there's additional bonus for my affiliates also. That's all for this video, and just check out the next video if you want to.